Hello, my name is Ethan Edge, and aka EAE, as they call me. And this is my bike check, so yeah, and enjoy. Guess I'll start out with the frame. It's a Fit, the bike company. It was originally black, but then I said and then it rusted for a couple of days. Next I'll move to the forks. They're Pink Empire. Still they're originally black, but now they're sandblasted and rusted. They're pretty cool. So the headset is DK. Yeah, still the stem, it's a DK. I guess it looks pretty cool. Next is the seat. It's a Fit Bike company. It's a low bolt. Really comfortable, Kevlar. Because it's my first pivotal, and I guess I really like pivotal seats. And I hope it holds up for quite a while. I'll move on to the pedals. They're Crownly acoustic plastic pedals. They're clear purple. They're actually the best pedals I've had yet. Grippy. Next, I guess I'll go to the bars. They're cool. Next, I think I'll go to the bars. They're S&M Grand Slam bars. They're pretty big. They're 8.25 rise. The grips are ODI long necks. They're a couple ODI bonds. They're pretty messed up. Need to get some new ones or something. Once in a while I'll take the grips off and put them in hot water. I think they're way more comfortable when they're dipped in hot water or boiled or something. This is the tire. It's FAF/K folding tire. 20 by 2.25. It holds up to 110 psi. A lot of tread on them, so helps you go faster a little bit. Hope they stick around for a little more. The rear tire is a Joe Dirt Haro tire. Holds up to 110 psi and has a lot of tread on it. So since it's on the rear, it'll help it on go faster, kind of, or just grip. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to the rim now. My rear rim is Eastern. It's pretty good for now. It's kind of, one of the spokes are kind of bent, but it'll hold up. 9-tooth on the hub, so it's pretty loud and stuff. Alright, my front rim is DK. It is pretty good. I've had it over 3 years already. Hub is acid green. It's really light. It's really cool. Has a really cool DK logo. Guess you can't kind of see it, but it's pretty cool. It's really light. It's like 2 pounds or something. So I have to start cutting down my axles because it just gets in the way a lot. Sprocket is an Eastern 25 tooth. I got it from the freewheeler. I got it for 10 bucks. It's pretty good. I spray painted it blue, so it looks pretty cool. My chain is a KMC. Yeah, not much to say about a chain. It's just a chain. So yeah, that's my bike. Weighs 23 and 10 ounces. It's pretty light, I guess. It's light enough for me, but alright. So yeah, go ride your bike, you douche. So yeah, hope you like my bike check. Yeah. EAE out, boy.